Yes. Can you all come to periodic table in the MCQ book, guys? Periodic table. Page number 10. Page number 10. Are you on page number 10? Now, guys, last time we started with ionization enthalpy. Does someone remember the definition of ionization enthalpy? Definition. How do you define ionization enthalpy?
Amount of energy required to remove an electron from the from the outermost shell of the isolated cation cell.
What are the units, ma'am? Units क्या होते हैं? What are the units? Units. This is the units over there. Can you see over here the units? Kilojoule per mole. दिख रहा है आपको? This is the units over there. Kilojoules per mole. ठीक है? Now, read the question over here, guys. Question एक बार पढ़िए यहाँ पे, please. Ionization enthalpy is 520 kilojoules per mole. Now look over here. What am I writing? Can I write this as 520 kilojoules per mole? सब लोग देखिए यहाँ पे. Can I write this as 520 into 10⁻³ joules? समझा आपको? Clear है? मैंने किलोजूल को खाली जूल में कन्वर्ट किया. Corresponds to, students, how many moles? How many moles? क्या दिया क्वेश्चन में? Kilojoule. 1 mole. Okay, can I say 1 mole? So can I write this as 1 mole? What is 1 mole of now? Can you tell me lithium? कितना होता है 1 mole lithium का? Lithium का 1 mole कितना होता है?
7 grams.
7 grams.
So can I write over here 7 grams? समझा यहाँ तक? पहले ये फर्स्ट स्टेप समझ में है क्या किया मैंने? खाली क्वेश्चन में ये जो स्टेटमेंट है यहाँ पे, इसको कन्वर्ट किया है मैंने. समझा? आगे देखो क्या लिखा है. हाउ मच enthalpy in joules must be needed to convert all lithium to lithium plus for 7 milligram, students. 7 milligram. Can I write this as 7 into 10⁻³ मैंने 7 milligram को यहाँ पे कन्वर्ट किया. समझ में आया? And I'm writing this as x joules. चलिए क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए और आंसर लेके आइए. कॉपी कीजिए पहले 176 में ही. 176 क्वेश्चन मार्केट एज इंपॉर्टेंट. देखो क्वेश्चन समझ में आया कि नहीं. बेसिकली पीरियोडिक टेबल और मोल्स को कंबाइन किया हुआ क्वेश्चन है ये. क्या आंसर है स्टूडेंट्स?
520.
520 joules है. So have you understood the first set of question based on this? क्लियर है सबको ये? आयुष आंसर आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, ठीक. Now we saw a lot of concepts in the last lecture based on I. हम लोग ने एक ग्राफ किया था. क्या वो ग्राफ पे आ सकते हो आप? ये वाले ग्राफ पे. If you remember, we did 5 factors affecting IE. याद है आपको ये? Size. How does size affect IE? How does size affect IE?
More the size.
More the size, lesser is the IE.
More the size, lesser the. How does nuclear charge affect? More the nuclear charge.
Nuclear charge, more the
The nuclear charge, more is the
Shielding effect ज्यादा, radius ज्यादा, ionization energy कम. Nature of configuration, can I say half filled, full filled, or stable? and penetration effect S more than P more than D more than F. Do you all agree to this? Okay, now everyone pay attention to the next thing over here. We did 4 different points over here. I'm giving you the reason for all of it, then you'll repeat. Boron, beryllium. Why was this an exception? Penetration effect. बोरॉन में से आप p इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाल रहे हो, बेरिलियम में से s इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाल रहे हो. Oxygen, nitrogen, why was it an exception? Because nitrogen was half filled. Magnesium, aluminium, why was it an exception? Because magnesium में से s इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाल रहे हो, aluminium में से p इलेक्ट्रॉन. और phosphorus, sulfur, phosphorus is half filled, whereas sulfur is not. Hence, phosphorus had more I. Go Rishikesh, repeat.
Yes, boron is less than B because of penetration effect. We are removing S electron from B and P electron from B. Then oxygen is less than nitrogen because nitrogen is half filled. It is more stable, therefore. So magnesium is greater than Al because of penetration effect, and
Okay.
phosphorus is greater than S because phosphorus is half filled.
Okay, agree. Now, students, can we all come to this graph over here? आपने graph बनाया था last time ये. वल्लभी graph बनाया था ये last time. Now, next to this graph, students, can we write the order, please? Order क्या हो जाएगा? लिख दीजिए, please. This is the order for second period. Can I say neon सबसे ज़्यादा? Students, neon मतलब can I say 2s2 2p6 सबसे ज़्यादा? Which is more than what? Fluorine. Which is more than what? Nitrogen. More than oxygen. More than carbon. Beryllium. Boron, lithium. Can you write the configuration also below it? Fluorine के नीचे क्या आ जाएगा? 2p5. Nitrogen के नीचे 2p3. हर्ष क्लियर है ये? हर्ष संगोई?
Yes, sir.
सिद्धार्थ? सिद्धार्थ?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the configuration of fluorine? नीचे इसके नीचे क्या क्या आएगा? फ्लोरीन के नीचे क्या आएगा?
2s2 2p5,
नाइट्रोजन के नीचे?
2s2 2p3,
सब लोग लिखते जाइए प्लीज. ऑक्सीजन के नीचे?
2s2 2p4,
ओके. कार्बन के
carbon,
नीचे?
2s2 2p 2s2 2p2,
ओके.
beryllium 2s2 2p beryllium will be 2s2,
बराबर.
boron will be 2s2 2p1,
एंड लिथियम विल बी?
lithium will be 2s1.
Okay. Is it clear, guys? Now, can you look at your graph for third period? Graph for third period. Can you write accordingly for the third period also the entire order? अदिति, थर्ड पीरियड के लिए ऑर्डर लिखिए प्लीज. रियल ऑर्डर क्या हो जाएगा?
Argon, chlorine, phosphorus, sulfur, silicon, magnesium, and sodium.
Again.
Argon, chlorine, phosphorus, sulfur, silicon, magnesium, aluminium, and sodium.
Do you all get this, Vidhi? मिला सबको? खुशी यही आया? खुशी डोनाल्ड? ओके. सबको यही आएगा? पहले देखिए. Can I go to the next concept? Now, can someone tell me what do you understand from the word second I? Second I क्या होता है? Second I का मतलब क्या होता है? Yes, Aradhana, go ahead.
Is it the amount of energy which is required to remove an electron, the second electron from the outermost shell?
Okay, okay. Now, can I say over here, everyone? X gives X plus electron. This is I1. X plus gives X2 plus. What is this? Do you all agree to this? Do you all agree to this? Now, can I say I2 का मतलब क्या है? यहाँ से कोई बताएगा I2 मतलब? Remove an electron from a cation. My question over here.
I1.
I2 of X is equal to dash of X plus.
I1 of X or X
I1.
plus.
हाँ?
I1 of X plus.
कैसे किया आपने? कैसे किया आपने?
So because this is the first electron being removed from X plus.
Okay, so can I say over here, this is I1. सबको समझा ये? Can you define this for?
I2 of X plus
I2
and
of X plus and
I1 for X plus plus.
Can you again say what is the answer?
I2 plus
I2.
X plus and I1 for X plus plus.
Okay, now can you please write this and try question number 20th, practice paper 4, question number 20. First copy this and then try this question, please. Practice paper number 4, question number 20. Do you understand how to use the concept? सबको आंसर सी आया? चारुश्री सी आया आंसर आपको? रिया, सार्थक, मानस, चलो ओके करो ठीक है, हो जाए तो मुझे बोलो मानस. Arnav, Prisha, Dhyana, Ishit, cameras are off.
So my camera is on.
So mine is also on. It's just some internet.
The beginning.
Arnav and Cuba Khan, Manan Mehta also. Chalo, can I proceed to the next concept, everyone? Is this clear? Now, the next concept is, students, right over there, give the heading as comparing IE of isoelectronic species. In the notebook, give the heading as comparing IE of isoelectronic species. Comparing IE of isoelectronic species. Okay. Can I say isoelectronic species means they will have the same, what do I say, same configuration? Do you all agree to it? They will have the same configuration. Can I say more the nuclear charge, more the attraction, more the IE? More the nuclear charge, more the attraction, more the IE? Please write this concept. In isoelectronic series, more the atomic number, Arna, लिखना है ये. What is the confusion, Arna?
No, sir, you were lagging.
Okay.
So I
I
thought
said-
once you said, I'll repeat it.
I said
Ask you
in
to repeat it.
isoelectronic series, more the atomic number, more the attraction, more the IE. Okay guys, 3 questions over here. दिख रहा है आपको क्वेश्चन? देखिए प्लीज. First, is it isoelectronic series? देखिए पहले. Kushi, the topic name is isoelectronic series, and the concept is more the atomic number, more the attraction, more the IE. Riya, can you go for the first answer?
Beryllium more than lithium, more than helium, more
Beryllium 2 plus, ma'am. Beryllium 2 plus.
than beryllium 2 plus, more than lithium 1 plus, more than helium, more than hydrogen 1 minus.
This is the order for IE. Exactly the reverse order of radius. Exactly the reverse order of radius. Please mention over there. Exactly the reverse order of radius. Do you get this? Kunal, second का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा?
Mg2 plus, argon, chlorine minus, and sulfur 2 minus.
Yes, Mg2 plus highest, then argon, then Cl minus, and then S2 minus. Dwanil, third का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा?
They are not isoelectronic species.
They are not isoelectronic. Now are they isoelectronic?
No, I mean, I'm sorry, I said about the second one. Yeah, in the third one, yes, you have neon is
Is the
greater
second
than
one isoelectronic or not? Is the second one isoelectronic or not?
No. The second one is not isoelectronic.
Second one is not isoelectronic because Mg2 plus is Mg2 plus isoelectronic to S2 minus.
No.
Now is it isoelectronic?
Yes.
Now is it isoelectronic? Now compare guys. Identify करना सीखो please. कुणाल mistake समझा?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. अब order क्या हो जाएगा? Argon highest, then Cl minus, and then S2 minus. Is the third one isoelectronic? Dhruvin, third one isoelectronic है? Dhruvin, is the third one isoelectronic?
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. It is isoelectronic.
Answer क्या हो जाएगा? Can I say neon सबसे
Any
ज़्यादा?
crystal. Yes.
Neon सबसे ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, फिर F minus और फिर O2 minus.
Chlorine and then O2.
Yes, clear है ये? Have you understood the concept for isoelectronic species, everyone? Okay, give the next heading. Comparing IE for species of the same element. Species of the same element. Okay, before I go to this topic, can we do some questions based on isoelectronic? Are you on practice paper number 4? Are you on practice paper number 4? Question number 8. Question number 8. Practice paper number 4. Practice paper number 4. Question number 8. Shall I explain?
So the lowest ionization potential will be of hydrogen because it has the lowest Z for the same
Yes,
electron.
lowest Z over there. Is this clear, everyone? Next over there. Can you come to question number 23? 23. Question number 23. Can I say the answer to 23 will be C again? 23 C हो जाएगा. Okay, now guys, can you all look at question number 42? Solve नहीं करना, खाली question देखो. Select the correct order of IE. दिख रहा है आपको? Options देखो क्या क्या है. Chlorine plus ध्रुवीन क्या डाउट है बोलो?
Sir, in the eighth one, should H minus no eighth one.
Eighth one.
It should be H minus to be isoelectric, no?
सबके पास एक इलेक्ट्रॉन है ध्रुवीन. सबके पास एक
Li2
इलेक्ट्रॉन.
plus. Yes.
Which question was I on? 42nd. हाँ, 42nd देखिए. Can you see all of them are chlorine? Okay, notebook में आपने क्या एडिंग दिया देखो. Notebook में क्या एडिंग दिया? Comparing ionization energy for species of the same element. This is what I mean, species of the same element. Atom, cation, anion. खुशी क्लियर है? What do I mean by species of the same element? अब कंसेप्ट लिखिए क्या है? Concept is more the radius, lesser the IE. और ब्रैकेट में लिखिए अनायन मोर देन पेरेंट एटम मोर देन cation. रेडियस के लिए लिखिए वहां पे रेडियस ऑर्डर अनायन मोर देन पेरेंट एटम मोर देन cation. लिखा आपने ये? या इट इज exactly the reverse order of can I say IE and radius are exactly the reverse order for isoelectronic species and atoms of the same species, not everywhere. Is it very clear? चलिए 42nd का आंसर बताओ क्या होगा. हाँ, can I say Bombay? Okay, now can you all come to question number 39? Same practice paper, question number 39. Take a pencil, write the logic which I am saying also. 39th का A option, nitrogen phosphorus है. How do you compare this? Bigger size, lesser IE, down the group. A option के बाजू में लिखो down the group IE decreases. सिद्धार्थ लिखा. Now B, C और D कैसे कंपेयर करोगे? B, C and D are atoms of the same species. B, C and D are atoms of the same species. चलो थोड़ा टाइम लो, कंपेयर करते जाओ. मैंने कंसेप्ट दे दिया आपको, आप मुझे कंपैरिजन बताओ क्या होगा. बोलो हेतवी.
Sir, I'll explain all the options.
Yeah, please explain all of them.
Okay. So in the second option, beryllium plus and beryllium. Sir, since beryllium plus is a cation, it will be greater than the parent atom.
Yes.
So B won't be the correct option. Then C, N parent atom and anion is given, but parent atom is greater than the anion. So
Yes.
C will also not be the correct option. In the D, Ne and Ne plus. So parent atom is less than the cation, so D will be the correct option.
Okay. Do you all agree to this? Now, students, can you all come to question number 29? Question number 29 and frame a logic between reducing agents and IE. Try to connect these two concepts. Redox का reducing agent और यहाँ का IE. थोड़ा सोचो पहले एक बार. फिर मैं बताता हूँ आपको क्या होगा concept. Okay. Yes, Rishikesh, right है. Siddharth. Ayushi, we are on question number 29. Can you give me the concept first? Siddharth Shah, can you give me the concept first?
Potassium will have the least IE, so it will lose electrons more easily to reduce whatever it is reacting with.
Yes, can I write over there? Lesser the IE, stronger the reducing agent. Yes, Hazel, perfect. Very good, Hazel. Lesser the IE, stronger the reducing agent. So do you connect the concepts? Nishka, समझ में आया? Answer potassium हो जाएगा, समझा आपको? Mark this question good over there. It's connecting redox along with this. Okay. Now, can you try question number 32? Again, a very good question, 32. They have given you 4 reaction students and they're asking you maximum and minimum IP. Question number 32. सार्थक, कौन सा क्वेश्चन की बात कर रहे हैं? सार्थक 29th नहीं समझा?
Sir, I didn't get the I didn't get the concept that lesser I is stronger reducing agent.
Listen, can I say lesser I मतलब इलेक्ट्रॉन आराम से लूज होगा?
Yeah.
इलेक्ट्रॉन आराम से लूज होना मतलब ऑक्सीडाइज होना?
Yeah. Okay, yeah,
ऑक्सीडाइज होना
got it.
मतलब stronger reducing agent होना.
Yeah, okay. Got
So
it.
you can write
Thank you.
this way: lesser I, easily lose an electron, gets oxidized, better reducing agent. You can connect step by step this way if you want.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. I am on 32 now. Question number 32. Anyone with the 32nd question, answer.
A.
Ashwika, why A? What are you using? What is the concept, Ashwika?
So the like the A
Hardy, sir.
M.
Now, question number 32, the concept is, these are all atoms of the same species. Bigger the size, lesser the IE. Can you tell me the order, guys? Order क्या हो जाएगा IE का? Can I say option A सबसे कम, फिर B, फिर C और फिर D? Clear है ये? Can you write the order also? A सबसे कम होगा, फिर B, C, D. समझा आपको ये? Question number 33. Again, a very good question. Connecting metallic properties and IE. Now, this is the application of IE, guys. Where can you use IE? To basically judge whether an element is metallic or non-metallic. Okay, first thing, do we know in the periodic table, left-hand side are the metals and right-hand side are the non-metals. Do you agree to it or not? Extreme right-hand side will be the non-metals. Chalo, okay. 33. Now listen to the concept for 33, everyone. Okay, पहले आप try तो करो, चलो आपको try करना तो. 33. Can I say first thing over there is option 1 and option 3 are the metals. Option 1 and option 3 are the metals. Think about it. लिखो वहाँ पे. And option 2 and option 4 are the non-metals. इतना clear है क्या आपको? Now, look at this next point which I said. Down the group, metallic character increases. right over there. Down the group, metallic character increases. Okay, I have given you the concepts, two concepts which I used. Left hand side are the metals placed, right hand side are the non-metals placed. And down the group, metallic character increases. Now can you go ahead with your answer to this, please?
Sir, B option.
B.
Why B? Please explain.
Sir, B option is the third option. In the 33rd question, the third one is 3s2, 2p6, 4s1. So it
Okay,
is
there is a correction over there. It's
most
3s to
metallic.
3p6. Ayush, it's 3s to 3p6. Please make a
sorry.
correction. It's understood.
3p6.
Yeah.
That is the most metallic one. And
Yeah.
sir, if you look at the fourth option, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. So sir, electronegativity decreases down the group. So
You're not
it's
looking at
more
electronegativity. You're
in the,
looking at I, sir. You're looking at I to decide this right now.
I. So sir, the fourth one. So the fourth one will be the least negative, least metallic. Sorry.
I just say first and third. Can I say both are metals? And can I say as I go down, size will increase. Size increases, metallic character increases. 2 and 4. You want the more non-metallic. So size should be lesser over there. Hence fourth over there. Do you get the answer as Bombay, guys? Do you get the answer as Bombay? Okay, now listen to me. Listen to me. Next
So,
question. Yeah, go ahead.
sir, I didn't get this. Could you please explain again?
Did you understand 1 and 3 are metallic?
Yes, sir.
2 and 4 are?
Non-metals.
So how do you decide between 1 and 3? Decide the one which is bigger in size will be more metallic because it will lose an electron easily.
Okay, yeah, I got it. Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead, Rishikesh.
sir, who will be the more metallic between 2 and 1?
Between 2 and 1. Sir, 2 is a non-metal, sir.
सर बट वो नीचे आता है ना ग्रुप में.
हाँ, लेकिन वो non-metal में नीचे आता है.
ओके सर, तो वो नहीं रहेगा.
हाँ, अगर फिर भी तू मुझे पूछेगा तो मैं 1 बोलूंगा.
ओके सर.
So, can you explain out of the non-metals why
Okay,
is
Nishka, out of the non-metals, the one which is smaller in size is more non-metallic. The one which is
okay
bigger
because
in
it kind
size.
of okay, got it.
Yeah. It's a very good question, 33.
So down the group, non-metallic character decreases.
Yeah, I said metallic character increases. It's obvious non-metallic character decreases. सबको clear है ये? Okay, now question number 7, guys. Question number 7. A very good question, huh? Question number 7. I would want you to read simultaneously to question number 7 and question number 133. Question number 7 and question number 133. And try spotting the difference also. Question 7 and 133. Difference between both of them. Kunal?
So in the 133rd one, it says the amount of energy required. So like Al2 to Al2 plus to Al3 plus, it will obviously require more energy.
Okay.
So
yeah, agree. Can you all come to 133? Right next to A option. 133, right next to A option. This is IE1. Right next to the B option, this is I3. And next to the C option right over there, this is IE2. ठीक है, लिखा आपने ये. And write IE3 more than IE2 more than IE1. So answer Bombay हो गया. Clear है आपको ये? Yes, ma'am. Why are you confused?
So, okay, because I think see Al plus it will get okay, I got it now.
Got it? Now listen to the question number 7th explanation. The correct order of stability they're asking, stability. Now, right over there, compare the configurations here. Right next to this question, compare the configurations here. Can anyone tell me what is the configuration for aluminium?
So
yeah,
1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2.
Okay.
3p, 3p1.
Now, can you look at these three configurations, guys? ये तीन configuration दिख रहे हैं तुम लोगों को? Aluminium, aluminium plus, aluminium 2 plus, aluminium 3 plus. कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा स्टेबल है?
Aluminium 3 plus.
Aluminium 3 plus.
तो कहना इसे aluminium 3 plus सबसे ज्यादा स्टेबल हो गया. अब ये दोनों को कंपेयर करो, इन दोनों में कौन ज्यादा स्टेबल है?
Aluminium plus.
Aluminium plus.
Why aluminium plus?
Full-filled subshell.
Full-filled air subshell. Do you get it? Everyone, do you get this? Please copy it. दोनों में डिफरेंस समझ में आया क्या है? एक में हम आई कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, एक में कॉन्फ़िगरेशंस कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. बोल आरना, क्या डाउट है? आरना, go ahead, what's the doubt?
No, sir, I don't have a doubt. I don't know, my Wi-Fi is bad or something. I can't see the board clearly, that's why.
Okay. Can I zoom it over?
So could I keep a video off for some time?
Yeah, okay. What is it? What is the doubt?
Yes, sir. So, in Rathi sir's chapter, we were learning that more is the energy supplied, वो radical उतना ज़्यादा unstable होगा.
Yes, lesser the energy of the system, more the stability.
Right. So, sir, when Al3 plus is there, उसको हमने सबसे ज़्यादा energy दी है, not to remove the electron.
लेकिन वो लोग बोल रहे नहीं कि Al3 plus बनाना है, अब वो लोग बोल रहे हैं Al3 plus की stability की बात करें खाली.
So, but it will have the most amount of energy now because 3 electrons हमने निकाले.
3 electrons निकाले, उतना energy हमने supply की energy निकाली, इसलिए energy कम हो गई उसकी. उसकी energy कम हो गई ना, क्योंकि stability achieve हो गई उसकी. When it forms 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, it becomes an inert gas. Right. As it becomes an inert gas, it releases energy to become more stable.
Right, sir. So, why do we say कि उसका I ज़्यादा है? मतलब
क्योंकि हमने energy provide की है. I am the one who's providing energy.
So it is getting energy also, na? That's what I'm saying.
So where is it using that energy to remove electrons?
Achha, हाँ, right.
Once it removes those electrons, can I say it achieve stability?
Got it.
Hence it loses energy because it has become stable.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, in the 133rd question, the answer to it will be C, no? Because while removing electron from Al plus, it is half filled, so it is fulfilled S to S subshell.
No, the answer to this is Bombay because I3 है वो, same species है वहाँ पे वो.
Sir, because behind the answer given is C. I
Change
also
कर दे, Bombay कर दे उसको, अगर behind कुछ अलग दिया तो. 133, the answer should be Bombay.
So because I thought that in Al plus.
No, change the answer to Bombay, please. 133.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, can I go to the next concept, guys? Question number 145 read कीजिए, please. 145. read कीजिए. 145 में क्या बोला, एक मिनट, सॉल्व नहीं कर पाओगे, आप लोग को सिखाया नहीं मैंने.
Compare the I2 of the element.
Compare the I2. Now listen to the concept of comparing I2s. Please, यहाँ पे देखिए, ये एक नया concept है जो मैं सिखा रहा हूँ. I2 के ग्राफ्स कैसे बनाने हैं, एक बार अगर आप वो सीख लो बहुत इजी हो जाता है। नाउ डू यू रिमेंबर मेकिंग I1 ग्राफ? याद है आपको I1 का ग्राफ कुछ ऐसा था? कितने पॉइंट्स थे ग्राफ पे? भाई तुम पहले पॉइंट्स गिनो भाई, तुम्हें पॉइंट्स ही नहीं पता। 8 एलिमेंट्स है ना पीरियड में, तो 8 पॉइंट हो गया। बेवकूफ बच्चे हो, 10 20 18 8 होने चाहिए। ये ग्राफ था, याद है आपको? लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरॉन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन, नियॉन। दिस वाज द ग्राफ ऑफ I1। ठीक है, हेलो, याद है आपको ये ग्राफ? नाउ आई एम बेसिकली मेकिंग द ग्राफ ऑफ I2। सेम टू सेम बनाना है मेरे को। देखो सेम बनाऊंगा मैं यहाँ पे, दिख रहा है आपको? मैंने सेम एग्जैक्टली सेम किया है मैंने यहाँ पे, एग्जैक्टली सेम ग्राफ है, पैटर्न सेम है। नाउ कैन समवन टेल मी व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम I2? I2 मतलब क्या?
Removing second electron.
रिमूविंग वन मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम इट। तो कॉन्फिगरेशन क्या हो जाएगा? कटायन का कॉन्फिगरेशन हो जाएगा। थिंक अबाउट इट, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन निकाल दिया मतलब कटायन का कॉन्फिगरेशन हो जाएगा। मतलब स्टूडेंट्स नियॉन इधर नहीं रहेगा, नियॉन नीचे चले जाएगा। सोचो आप, सब कुछ एक एक नीचे जाएगा। I said a very important concept for making I2 graph, make I1 graph same to same। अब मैं I2 बना रहा हूं, देखो पॉइंट सेम ही है सब कुछ। ठीक है, अब मैं ये I2 का ग्राफ बना रहा हूं यहाँ पे। दिस इज नियॉन गाइस, क्लियर है? नियॉन नीचे चला गया। निष्का
Why
डाउट
does
है?
that happen?
हाँ,
Why is that? Why does it
what
come
is
down?
I2? Niska, what is I2? Can I say I2 means removing an electron from a cation?
From any, yeah.
What is a cation? Can I say neon ka configuration? Neon plus configuration is fluorine's configuration. Think about it.
Yeah.
Neon plus configuration is same as fluorine's configuration. Hence, this is nothing but neon plus, to be more precise.
So lithium will have the high topmost.
Perfect. Very good, Hazel. Because one electron, very high I2. It will not be seen in the graph only. It has such a big value. Just let me complete the graph. फ्लोरीन इधर था, तो ये एलिमेंट क्या हो जाएगा? कह रहे हैं ये फ्लोरीन हो जाएगा। स्टूडेंट्स ये क्या हो जाएगा बताइए?
Oxygen.
Oxygen.
कह रहे हैं ऑक्सीजन हो जाएगा। ये क्या हो जाएगा?
Nitrogen.
नाइट्रोजन। ये क्या हो जाएगा?
Carbon.
ये क्या हो जाएगा?
Boron.
और ये क्या हो जाएगा? सॉरी,
Beryllium.
सर लिथियम कहाँ पे है? लिथियम तो बहुत ऊपर चला गया, बिकॉज इट इज अल्कली मेटल, इट हैज अ वेरी हाई I2।
Sir, so above neon would be sodium.
हाँ, ये सोडियम बोल सकते हो, लिथियम बोलो, जो बोला, लेकिन लिथियम सबसे ऊपर है।
Oh.
समझा आपको? I again make you understand the logic to this is making the same graph again। वापस यही ग्राफ बना हुआ, पहले पॉइंट्स मार्क करो 8। ठीक है, लिथियम जो है वो चला गया एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, ये क्या हो जाएगा? बेरिलियम, बोरॉन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन, नियॉन। Now this is a very good question. Compare I1 of nitrogen, oxygen, which is more?
Nitrogen.
Compare I2 of nitrogen, oxygen, which is more?
Oxygen.
अच्छा क्वेश्चन बन गया नहीं। I1 नाइट्रोजन का ज्यादा है, I2 ऑक्सीजन का ज्यादा है। क्लियर है आपको? अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 145 देखिए प्लीज, 145, और आंसर बताइए 145 का क्या हो जाएगा? ओके, उसके पहले ऑर्डर लिख दे यहाँ पे। ऑर्डर क्या होगा बताओ स्टूडेंट्स? ऑर्डर क्या हो जाएगा? सबसे ज्यादा कौन है I2 में? नियॉन सबसे ज्यादा हो जाएगा, फिर ऑक्सीजन, फिर फ्लोरीन, फिर नाइट्रोजन, फिर बोरॉन और फिर कार्बन और फिर बेरिलियम। ये ऑर्डर है। चलिए अब बताएं 145 का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? कैन आई से आंसर सी हो जाएगा? Do you all agree to it? Answer should be C. Okay. In the notebook, write over there. In the notebook, write over there graphs of IE2. In the notebook, write over there graphs of IE2. Graphs of IE2. The way to make is make the graph same as I1. Make the graph same as I1 and shift every element 1 point below. Make the graph same as I1 and shift all the elements 1 point below. Students, can I erase this graph over here now? Can you just copy this please? चलिए कॉपी कीजिए I2 का ग्राफ स्ट्रेट, I1 मत कॉपी कीजिए, स्ट्रेट I2 कॉपी कीजिए आप लोग, स्ट्रेट I2 कॉपी कीजिए। मैं वापस रिपीट कर रहा हूं, द वे टू मेक इज मेक द ग्राफ प्लॉट 8 पॉइंट्स फर्स्ट एंड देन राइट 1 पॉइंट बिलो। जोया क्या डाउट है? जोया क्या डाउट है?
Sir, I don't have any doubt.
बनाइए ग्राफ, बैठे क्यों, ग्राफ बनाओ फटाफट। बैठ जाते हो ऐसे लेक्चर में, ग्राफ बनाने बोलो तो भी देख रहे हो, पता नहीं चल रहा क्या।
Sir, for I3 will shift one
Give
more
me 2
down.
minutes. I'll come to I3. Give me 2 minutes. I'll come to that also. Just give me 2 minutes. I don't want to rush among things over here. Have you made this? First, tell me this, everyone. Students, this graph is for I2. How would the graph for I3 be now?
It would be 2 points down.
Okay, shift 2 points down. So अब मैं I3 बना रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, देखो I3 लिखा है मैंने यहाँ पे, ठीक है? Write the concept, shift, make the graph same as I1 and shift 2 points below. Okay, shift 2 points below. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? नियॉन इधर था, यहाँ पे नियॉन आ जाएगा। ये समझा क्या?
Yes.
ये क्या हो जाएगा?
Boron.
ये
Carbon.
ये
Nitrogen.
ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन। Can you tell me the order now?
Neon more than
नहीं यार,
fluorine.
नियॉन कहाँ पे ज्यादा है? गलत बोल दिया आपने। फ्लोरीन सबसे ज्यादा है। नहीं, नियॉन नहीं ज्यादा है, फ्लोरीन सबसे ज्यादा है।
Fluorine more than neon, more than oxygen, more than carbon, nitrogen more than boron.
हेजल, यहाँ पे कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा होगा? हेजल, यहाँ पे कौन सबसे ज्यादा होगा? I3।
Fluorine, neon.
नहीं, मैं कह रहा क्वेश्चन ये
Beryllium.
Beryllium.
Beryllium will have a very highest value because beryllium is alkaline earth metal. Again repeat, beryllium का I3 सबसे ज्यादा होगा।
So lithium और beryllium में
I said beryllium ना, that's what I said.
Okay.
वही तो मैंने बोला, लिथियम का I2 ज्यादा होगा, बेरिलियम का I3 ज्यादा होगा। Students, have you made this?
Sir.
हाँ बोलो।
Sir, your video is lagging a lot. Can I keep my video off for some time?
Yeah, okay. Now, can you think of period 3 elements? Period 3 elements. पहले I2 का ग्राफ फिर I3 का ग्राफ। पहले I2 का ग्राफ फिर I3 का ग्राफ। Kushi, I said beryllium will have the highest I3. Okay. Now, those who need help over here, देखिए कैसे करना है। पहले ग्राफ प्लॉट करो इसको स्ट्रेट, सेम वैसे ही 8 पॉइंट मार्क करो जैसे मैंने ये पॉइंट्स मार्क किए, बिकॉज दीज आर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पॉइंट्स ओवर देयर। चलिए बताइए ये वाला पॉइंट क्या हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट्स? ये वाला पॉइंट क्या हो जाएगा?
मैग्नीशियम।
यस, एल्यूमिनियम, सिलिकॉन, फॉस्फोरस, सल्फर, क्लोरीन, आर्गन। कैन आई से सोडियम का I2 सबसे ज्यादा होगा? सर सोडियम तो है ही नहीं ग्राफ में। अरे सोडियम बाहर चला गया क्योंकि वो इनर्ट गैस बन गया। क्लियर है आपको ये? चलिए I3 कैसे बनेगा इसका? The right way is always plotting the points first. ये पॉइंट किसका हो जाएगा?
एल्यूमिनियम।
एल्यूमिनियम। ये पॉइंट सिलिकॉन, फास्फोरस, सल्फर, क्लोरीन, आर्गन। ऑर्डर क्या हो जाएगा सबसे ऊपर?
क्लोरीन, आर्गन, सल्फर।
Do you get this? This is I3 order. क्लियर है आपको? Can I proceed with the next question based on this? किसको कुछ डाउट है इसमें तो पूछ लीजिए प्लीज। अब लॉजिकली अगर I4 I5 पूछा तो तुम्हें पता है क्या करना है। Now listen to this also. Any book that you refer for this, any book you refer for periodic table, this is not the method given. The method always given is write the element, remove one electron, and again write the elements configuration and then compare. But I personally feel it's a time consuming process to write the configurations, then remove an electron, again write a configuration. Better than that is understanding the graphs. Clear है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Can we try some questions based on this now? Okay. Practice paper 4 पे आ जाइए please. Practice paper 4 पे आ जाइए सब लोग. Question number 18, 18. Practice paper 18. Sorry, I said practice paper 4, question 18. Practice paper 4, question 18. Now the problem is तुम्हारे सामने ग्राफ है, तुम सीधा ग्राफ देख के बोल रहे हो वैसा मुझे नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को चाहिए तुम ग्राफ फटाफट बनाओ और फिर कंपेयर करो। ग्राफ बनाना तो सीखो, सेकंड आई का ग्राफ कैसे है। क्या आंसर आया आपको? ए आया? ए आया। ओके, वन मोर क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस एंड अ वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34। Question number 34. Very good question right over there, please. अरे गरीब बच्चों, IQ लेवल एकदम नीचे चल रहा है, आंसर बोलो क्या होगा। मतलब इतने टाइम में मैं कब सॉल्व कर दिया होता। उठो रे उठो तुम लोग। 34 का आंसर क्या होगा? ए कैसे ए आया? ए कैसे आया? वर्णिका ए एक्सप्लेन कर कैसे आया ए?
For the first triad, N3 minus, because
Okay,
they're
firstly, what does a
isoelectronic.
triad
and
mean? Triad means 3 elements. Those who are asking what is a triad. Triad means 3 elements. Go ahead, Varnika, explain the triad one.
In that triad, N3 minus is the
Concept.
lowest one.
Concept.
They're all isoelectronic,
Perfect. Right next to triad one, isoelectronic. Perfect.
and N has the smallest atomic number.
Perfect. Triad one, isoelectronic, lowest Z, lowest I. Very good. Second triad.
Second triad is the same thing. They're not, but like O has the biggest atomic number.
No.
No.
Triad two logic is wrong, ma'am.
I2 graph. This.
Yes, triad 2 is I2 graph, guys. N plus C plus O plus I2 graph है, कटायन है ना? समझा कि नहीं क्या बोला मैंने? Again I say triad 2 is I2 graph. और I2 के ग्राफ के हिसाब से कौन सबसे ऊपर है? देखिए N plus C plus की O plus.
O plus.
O plus. Clear है सबको? Mark it as a good question over there. Okay. Can you all come to question number 30, 3030? Make a change in the Bombay option. Lithium plus होना चाहिए. Bombay option में lithium plus होना चाहिए. Yeah. 30th, how to solve it? Pratham, 30th, how to solve?
Sir, we have to check now.
क्या भाई चेक बोल के छोड़ दिया तूने? ओ प्रथम क्या चेक करूं मैं? ये अच्छा आइडिया है सर, आप बताओ क्या चेक कर? प्रथम क्या चेक करना रहेगा?
सर लैग हो गया मैं।
हाँ बोल ना क्या चेक करना है?
वो फर्स्ट आई सेकंड आई थर्ड आई है ना ये लिथियम 2 प्लस में
नहीं। Anyone else?
So I2 for lithium plus is the highest.
Why? Very good. Why?
Because it becomes a noble gas and
Perfect. Shreya Agarwal, your concept is wrong. It is not isoelectronic. Shreya Agarwal. It is not isoelectronic by any chance. Right next to the B option, lithium plus is helium configuration. Lithium plus is helium configuration. Now you think helium configuration मतलब क्या?
Highest I in the
highest I in the entire periodic table. Khatam. Now,
So, but it's lithium to lithium plus, right? Not lithium plus.
So you said it's first I.
So it's you said
Yes,
it's
sir, it is
lithium to
first I,
lithium
you
Well,
plus.
it's lithium to lithium plus. It should be
I said-
option 1.
So then shouldn't be A.
I said lithium plus to lithium 2 plus. Option B में change करो. Lithium plus to lithium 2 plus करो. Plus sign missing है. Left hand side पे.
So then how do we know if to compare between A and B, because both of them become inert gases, right?
Okay, now you tell me among the inert gases which will have more, helium or neon?
Okay, helium. Got it.
और argon? कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? Down the group देखेंगे.
Down, yeah.
Clear है ये? Okay. Now guys, I have done a lot of concepts. हाँ बोलो सिद्धांत.
Sir, in this question, if it was lithium to lithium plus, then answer would be A.
A.
Lithium to?
If in this question the option B said lithium, if the option B said lithium to lithium plus, like first time.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Now listen to me very carefully, everyone. We have done a lot of concepts with it. Dhruvin, camera on karo. Siddhant, camera on karo. We have done a lot of concepts. First concept, left to right. एक पीरियड में कैसे जाते हैं? I. Period 2, period 3. I2 के ऑर्डर्स देखे हमने. आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीशीज देखा हमने. सेम स्पीशीज देखा. अब मैं आपको एक और चीज बोल रहा हूं, अगर समझो सेम पीरियड के एलिमेंट्स नहीं है सब, तो कैसे करते? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कैन यू कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 154? क्वेश्चन नंबर 154. क्वेश्चन 154 पे आ जाइए प्लीज. Question 154 पे आ जाइए please. Now listen to the concept over there. Can I say 154 में, if you look at the options, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and carbon belong to the second period. Sulfur belongs to the third period, guys. Hello, समझा आपको? Can I say sulfur has a bigger size, hence lesser IE? Sulfur has a bigger size, hence lesser IE. समझा आपको ये? Have you understood this? Chalo. Can you all come to question number 122 now? 122. Page number 7. Can you solve the remaining questions now? Page number 7. Ionization potential heading दिख रहा है आपको? Solve the remaining questions now, please. So anyone with 122?
It should be A, no? Because A and C both are half filled, but A has smaller size.
No, that's not the way that you solve these questions. Completely wrong. No, this is not the right way. मेरे को पहले मेथड बता कैसे करेंगे ये क्वेश्चन. Everyone, please 122 पे आ जाइए.
Half filled and half.
No, completely wrong way to go ahead with the question.
So the period is to be checked.
First point, always check the periods over there. चलिए first A option के बाजू में लिखो जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ करो please. A option के बाजू में लिखो 3 shells. B option के बाजू में भी लिखो 3 shells. C option के बाजू में क्या लिखोगे? 4 shells. और D option के बाजू में क्या लिखोगे? 3 shells. लिखा आपने ये? Now C option के पास सबसे ज्यादा shells है. Hence write over there least IE. Least IE. Do you get the steps how to go about it? Now A, B, C सबके पास 3 shells है. Right over there, check from the graph. Check from the graph. मैं कभी-कभी तो गलत हो जाएगी हाफ फिल्ड वाले लॉजिक से, क्योंकि हमेशा हाफ फिल्ड आंसर नहीं होता. अगर 3p3 3p5 बोला था तो 3p5 ज्यादा होता है ग्राफ के हिसाब से. हाँ. So A, B, D में आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? A. क्लियर है आपको ये? चलिए गो अहेड, पेज 7 कंप्लीट कीजिए. मैं क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करते जाऊंगा, आप लोग प्लीज ध्यान देते रहना. उसके अंदर मैं इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बताऊंगा कैसे सॉल्व करना है.
Can you explain 122 again?
123rd is the definition, Rahit.
122.
122.
The
Explain, ma'am. 122.
Yes, so first you will see which element has the most number of shells. So what number of shells. So the first option will have 3 shells because 3p3 hai last mein. Then second option will also have 3 shells. For the third option, we have 3d and 4p, so you can infer that there are 4 shells. And in the fourth option again 3 shells. So obviously the third option will be eliminated because more the number of shells, more lesser will be the IE. And then out of A, B, and D, you have to see check from the graph. So you'll get that A has the highest IP.
Okay. Do you want one more question on this type? Go to practice paper number 4, question number 19, please. Question number 19, practice paper number 4. Practice paper number 4, question number 19. Very nice question over there. They have given you configurations and told you which are the least IE. Yashasvi, can you give me the logic behind it?
This is because it has 4 shells and therefore it will have least IE.
Just because it has?
Compared to all the other options, it has 4 shells, more shells, so the IE would be less.
Answer is Bombay. Agreed, answer is Bombay, but there is something more to this question also. Option A also has 4 shells. Did anyone realize this? Option A also has 4 shells. Can anyone explain how? So
Yeah,
likha to 3D.
Removing electron from the s orbit is more than D.
No.
So option A has 4 shells because D gets filled after S, like 4S,
Yes.
3D.
So now, how do you compare between A and B? Both have 4 shells.
But
A and B.
the periodic table.
B is half filled.
A is fulfilled, right? 4s2, so
Shielding
remove
effect.
from 4s2.
Going across a period, ionization energy increases. Going across a period, ionization energy increases. Now tell me the answer.
B, 4s1 is first.
Yes, 4s1 will be the answer because you want the lower one. Have you understood this?
But so isn't 4s1 a alkali metal?
Ma'am, the other one is also an alkali, is also a metal only.
But
It's a D block metal. What is your point behind saying it as a metal? I don't get it.
वो 4s1 होगा तो उसका configuration will become 3p6 ना.
Ma'am, why are you making it 3p6? I2 थोड़ी बोला, I1 बोला ma'am. I1 compare करना ma'am. Also try question number 28, students. 28. 28. Practice paper number 4. 28. Lowest IP will be. I want the lowest, I also want the highest. Okay, now I only solve it. चल मैं ही solve करता हूँ. किसको भी नहीं आ रहा 28.
So lowest will be A, option A, and highest
Sir,
will be
sir.
option B.
Can you help me with the concept यार? Answers नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. Answers मेरे को भी देख के आप concept बताओ यार.
Sir, because if you will 1 second, sir.
ऋषिकेश concept क्या है?
तो A में S इलेक्ट्रॉन से निकल रहे हैं और उसमें पीरियड कम है.
नहीं.
Across the period, IP increases.
नहीं यार, नहीं.
So all of
So can we say because the size of A?
Start गलत किया है. Start बराबर करो.
1s2 is highest.
Sir, all of them.
Because of
So can we say
Start
that?
कैसे करना है question? How to start a question?
Left in the period.
Eliminate B because it's
First,
So
मैं ही
Comparing the
बताऊंगा.
number of shells.
No expectation 2020. चलो मैं ही बता रहा हूँ सुनो.
So
28 A ऑप्शन के बाजू में लिखो 2 shells. कोई नहीं बोला, कोई भी नहीं बोला, मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दिया. Okay, I didn't listen. I'm so sorry again. I didn't listen. I'm so sorry. Bombay one shell. C option 2 shells and D options 2 shells. Now कैन आई से जिसके पास एक शेल है उसका हाईएस्ट आई होगा? डू यू एग्री टू दिस? अब ACD में से जो भी बोल रहे हैं लेफ्ट राइट जो सब बकवास है, ग्राफ इज द आंसर टू इट। ग्राफ से देखना है तुम्हें ACD। अब मुझे ग्राफ से बताओ कौन लोएस्ट होगा, नीचे कौन आएगा ग्राफ के हिसाब से? A। क्लियर है अभी आपको? फाइनल चांस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, सेम कंसेप्ट, प्लीज
So-
अप्लाई करें।
So, but in the 28th one, can we also say that because the first one will have the small, what do you call, will be larger in size than the others, that's fine.
You can say Arna, but sometimes you'll falter if you don't apply the graph. Okay, Arna, I have a question. In a period, which elements have the highest size?
The last one,
Inert gas?
inert gases.
Okay, again I question, which in a period, which elements have the highest I?
The highest I will be
Again the inert gases. Again the inert gas, ma'am.
Yeah, so the logic is fine, right?
So radius भी सबसे ज्यादा inert gas का, I भी सबसे ज्यादा है. So not
Yeah.
always radius ज्यादा तो I ज्यादा बोल सकते हो आप.
Okay, I got it.
Sometimes you might go wrong with that logic. चलो 26 वाले कोई है क्या?
So it's
Sir, iodine is the lowest, maximum shells.
बराबर.
And hydrogen maximum because
Hydrogen minimum shells.
प्रथम बोल वापस क्या आंसर? बराबर बोला प्रथम.
Hydrogen has the minimum shells, the highest I, and iodine has the maximum shells, the minimum I.
Perfect. समझा सबको? Question number 21. 21. Question number 21. Tanvi, 21. Go ahead, Hazel, explain.
So just a second. Yes, so
Go ahead, Sarthak, explain.
21 will be C. Because
Approach, ma'am, approach.
yes, sir. So in the D option there are 4 shells, and in the other 3 options there are 3 shells. And according to the graph, 3p5 will have the highest ionization energy.
Okay, perfect. Now listen to this very carefully. Mehak कहाँ पे? Mehak.
yes, sir.
तू जो पता है स्टार्टिंग में तूने एक पॉइंट बोला था सर, हाफ फिल्ड है इसके लिए आंसर है.
Yes, I got that.
ये वो क्वेश्चन है जहाँ पे तू रॉन्ग चली जाएगी.
TN5.
हाँ, क्योंकि स्ट्रेट तुम अगर लॉजिक अप्लाई करोगे ना हाफ फील्ड ज्यादा आई तो गलत हो जाओगे. ये क्वेश्चन है वो, क्योंकि तुम हमेशा फिर यही देखोगे हाफ फील्ड देखो आंसर खत्म हो गया. ग्राफ देखो, इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. सबको समझा मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? ये क्वेश्चन में बहुत लोग जल्दी में खुद को बहुत होशियार समझेंगे बोल के कि 3p3 हाफ फील्ड मैंने रिकॉग्नाइज कर दिया. भाई रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं करना है 3p3. 3p5 फिर भी ज्यादा है क्योंकि न्यूक्लियर चार्ज ज्यादा है. क्लियर है सबको? चलिए वापस ब्लू बुक पे आ जाइए. क्वेश्चन पेज नंबर 8 पे आ जाइए. पेज 7 सबका हो गया ना? सबका पेज 7 हो गया है तो पेज 8 पे आ जाइए प्लीज. Page 8, there are some very good questions on page 8. (134) Question number 134.
C.
हाँ?
C.
D क्या होता है? D क्या है?
S इलेक्ट्रॉन और P इलेक्ट्रॉन.
पेनिट्रेशन इफेक्ट का दूसरा नाम है. D is the other name for penetration effect. विधि आमीन लिख दो वहां पे प्लीज.
Sir, can you repeat?
Yeah, I said for 134, Riya for 134, Nishka. D option के वहाँ पे लिख दो. Type of electron involved means penetration effect. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. 135.
Sir, B
To
option.
understand 135, look at this graph over here. What is occupied by the peaks? Can I say inert gases?
Inert gases.
And what are the minimas over there? No, alkali metals.
Alkali metal.
Yes. Students, 136 भी एक ग्राफ से कर सकते हो. 136 भी एक ग्राफ से कर सकते हो. पूरे पीरियड टेबल में सबसे ऊपर कौन है देखो. तो आंसर इसके लिए हीलियम है. समझा आपको? आयुष सॉल्व कीजिए प्लीज.
Sir, I'm solving, sir.
Yes. Sanika, can you give the logic for the next question? Himani, anyone over there? 137.
Sir, D.
Why? Aryan, Neve, are you understanding?
Sir, it attains noble gas configuration.
Sir, 137 is Bombay, no? B.
Yeah, B.
It will be B.
Because it's an alkali metal. Alkali metals have a very high IE2. Kriyasha, is that right? Alkali
Someone
metals
said
have a
D,
very
na,
high
now.
IE2. Huh?
Someone said D.
Delhi कौन
You said
बोला?
yes.
Dhruvin. Then I heard Bombay. Bombay is the answer. Bombay. Dhruvin, Bombay answer है, Delhi नहीं. (138) a very good question. You have to use different logics for different options to solve. Anvai, so much lecture में आंसर दे.
So I'm doing it.
138 बताओ कैसे करोगे तो फिर.
So first you'll have to go according to the
Periodic table.
yeah, and then
ठीक है,
second
answer
you'll
हुआ.
have to go
ठीक है,
according to the charge.
138 ए ऑप्शन कैसे करेंगे?
So
नाइट्रोजन
can I?
फास्फोरस.
So nitrogen is higher than phosphorus
Yes, why did you say that?
because it's higher on the periodic table, and
Okay, agreed.
when it decreases down as you go down a group.
Perfect. Beryllium plus beryllium, how do you compare?
So beryllium is plus and beryllium plus 1. So that'll be no, beryllium is 4 and plus
Ma'am, wrong concept. Think about it. These are same species, Anvai.
yeah.
So how do you compare? Smaller the radius.
Oh, then you
more
have to see, yeah, smaller the radius, more will be the
IE.
ionized.
So
Yeah,
can I say beryllium plus will have more?
yeah.
Again, nitrogen minus.
Hmm.
Anvai, again the same concept. इसके लिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ जागो. Which is bigger in size? Nitrogen minus.
So nitrogen minus.
Hence, can I say nitrogen will have more IE?
Yeah.
Last one, sulfur phosphorus.
So then it will be sulfur and phosphorus.
Which is more, sulfur phosphorus?
So sulfur is to the right, so that will be more.
Who explained you all this? I didn't know this. Sulfur phosphorus means sulfur is more.
So as you Go across a period.
That's what I said. You cannot go across a period. ये दिख रहा है? You're going across a period, but there are a lot of exceptions.
Oh yeah, you have to follow the exceptions.
Sulfur, phosphorus. What is the exception over there?
Oh yeah, you have to. It's
Phosphorus is greater.
phosphorus. Yeah,
अन्वयी ध्यान दे, मेरा चैप्टर खत्म होने आ जाएगा अभी.
yeah.
क्या कर रही है तू? चलिए. आंसर क्या आया? मेरे को तो समझा ही नहीं इतने डिस्कशन में. आंसर क्या था?
D.
हाँ?
D
आंसर. चलो मैंने क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पढ़ा, खाली कंपेयर करते क्या. चलिए 139 क्या होगा? 139.
D option.
D.
They are all isoelectronic.
Yes. So cation will be greater than parent atom.
Perfect. Isoelectronic है, lesser the Z, lesser the I. Can you please complete this page now? Page number 8 complete कीजिए फटाफट. चलिए. प्रीशा आंसर दे. प्रीशा, ये संडे को पेरेंट मीटिंग है. नहीं तो
हाँ सर.
मैं पहले बोलो आंसर दे दे, बच जाएगी. नहीं तो तू
नहीं.
म्यूट क्यों किया? अनम्यूट करके बोलो यार.
अरे मैंने नहीं किया, आपने ही मुझे म्यूट किया.
146, 148 प्रीशा.
146 you want me to answer?
And 148.
Okay.
दोनों सही आंसर दे तो पेरेंट मीटिंग में मैं कुछ भी नहीं बोलेगा.
ठीक है. 146 will be D.
Why D?
Because it has the it is the anion now, so you are given the sequence.
146. The logic is, everyone pay attention. Larger the size, lesser the I. And 148.
Yeah. 148 is B.
Why B?
Because B, it has the lowest ionization energy, so it will be
अरे
the.
तू रीजन तो दे नहीं रही, खाली आंसर बता रही है. रीजन क्या है वो चाहिए मेरे को.
अरे मुझे ऐसे नहीं, I can't explain.
ठीक है, संडे मिलते हैं हम. काफी अच्छा लगा मिलके आपके.
No, but I gave you the correct answer.
आंसर से मतलब ही नहीं. मुदित, अब आप पे जा रहा है.
The same logic here.
Isoelectronic species where anion is.
मुदित संडे मिलते हैं. मुदित आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक, ये चमाट मारवा नहीं.
सर वो अरे आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक नहीं सर सॉरी, एक सेकंड सर रुक जाओ.
मैत्री.
Yes, so all of them are the same electron species. So O2
It
minus
is not
will
same
have.
electron species, same element species. Damn it, there is a difference.
Yeah, sorry.
You cannot
Same
have species
element.
of the same electron. Go ahead.
Same element species, and O2 minus will have less isoelectronic because over.
Yes, Mudit, one more chance.
Yes sir. Sir of 148.
मैं क्वेश्चन मैं बोलेगा. 143. होशियारी.
सर तो करेक्ट होगा.
मेरे को कंसेप्ट बता मुदित, पहले बोल रहा हूँ. आंसर मत देना, पीछे देख के आंसर भी बता सकता हूँ मैं.
Sir, we have to draw the graph first.
Very good. ग्राफ से करेंगे. चल बच गया तू.
सर आता है इतना.
ठीक है.
This concept I knew. I would have answered this. Graph I knew.
सब लोग ऐसे ही करते. चलो पेज 8 पे कोई डाउट है किसको?
So in the 143, can we say because of the it increase across a period?
मुदित ने जो आंसर दिया वो बेस्ट आंसर है.
अच्छा.
ग्राफ. बाकी जो बोल रहे हो सब गलत हो.
Sir, can you explain the 146 again?
146.
Yeah, sir.
Can I say they all are species of the same element?
Yeah.
So one which is bigger in size will have the lowest IE.
Okay, sir.
So which is the one with the biggest radius?
D.
D. And same logic for 148 also. Got it?
Yes, sir.
चलो पेज 9 पे आ जाते हैं. पेज 8 जो बाकी है बाद में कर लेना. पेज 9 पे आ जाते हैं. पेज 9 सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन. आयुष.
Yes.
151.
1 second, sir. Okay.
मेरे को सिर्फ आंसर मत
I1,
बताना, एबीसीडी लॉजिक बता बस.
अब बता रहा हूँ एक second. Yes, sir. So the correct or sir, so AR wala will be least. NE will be lesser. More
मुझे वो
than.
सब नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को कंसेप्ट चाहिए. कंसेप्ट क्या करना है, क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व करना है.
Sir, HE will be, we have highest I1. Yes, sir. And then NE will have more lesser than that, and then like that.
Number of shells.
Number of
It is
shells.
number of shells.
More the shells, yes. More the shells, lesser the IE is the concept here. 152 का कंसेप्ट क्या होगा बताओ खुशी. 152 का कंसेप्ट क्या होगा. And right next to 152, neat question.
Sir, graph.
Perfect. You have to see it from the graph. ओ सिंगर पूरे क्या पता क्या करिए पूरे लेक्चर में. 153 कैसे करेंगे खुशी.
So me.
Yeah, obviously. 153.
सर अक्रॉस द हम पीरियोडिक टेबल देखेंगे सर.
जो बोलना बिंदास बोलो. 153 में अक्रॉस द पीरियड, लेफ्ट टू राइट, ऊपर नीचे, और क्या 3-4 चीजें तो सर बोलते हैं, उसमें से कुछ बोल देने का.
नहीं सर वही लॉजिक लगेगा.
चल बक कुछ भी. आर्यन.
सर 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्योंकि बाद में एनर्जी इंक्रीज हो रहा है ज्यादा.
हाँ
2 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा क्योंकि बाद में 820 से 1100 पे जा रहा है ना.
आर्यन तेरे को बड़ा जंप समझता है वर्ड क्या होता है बड़ा जंप का मतलब.
हाँ
पक्का ना. नीचे के वैल्यूज देख.
ओ
कहाँ पे बड़ा जंप.
5th.
4 to 5 ना.
हाँ
तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा.
4.
बराबर. ओ भानुशाली मैम अब सिर्फ गाना गाते रहो. श्रेया अग्रवाल.
Yes,
155. 155.
It will be from 3 to 4.
Yeah. So what is the answer then?
3.
Yeah. Because
The
there's a
answer
big
is
jump
3.
from 3 to 4, hence the answer is 3. आवाज क्लियर है. आवाज समझ में आया. चलिए guys, can you complete page 9 and go ahead with your doubts. Page 9 complete कीजिए.
So 158.
कौन सा.
158.
158. 158, ma'am, can I say there are isotopes?
Yes.
Isotopes have the same number of protons, electrons, but they have same different number of neutrons. Ionization energy is influenced by nuclear charge, and neutrons will not have any role in nuclear charge.
Yes.
Okay? Students, doubt till 166.
So 161, 166 and 122 all are same only. Just the options have been changed. Well, it has
Yeah.
been
Perfect.
kept for me only.
दोनों सेम ही है, खाली ऑप्शन का ऑर्डर चेंज किया. पूनम, कौन सा क्वेश्चन? तो किससे अपने आप से बात करें, क्या हो गया है?
Yes,
सही है,
sir.
सही है, सब कुछ मेंटली सब कुछ सही चल रहा है. खुद से बात करें लेक्चर में, क्या हो गया है? पागल हो गए?
I wasn't talking to my friend.
तो ऐसे ही बड़बड़ कर दिया. गजब लोग हैं. कोविड-19 का नया स्ट्रेन मिला है, उसका ये भी साइड इफेक्ट होता है. बोल पार्थ, कौन सी क्वेश्चन में डाउट है पार्थ?
Sir, I can't type anything in the chat. I don't know why. I have a doubt in practice paper 4 ka 39th question. I didn't understand that question.
Just a minute. Practice paper?
1 ka 30. Practice paper 4. Sorry, 39th question.
Okay. Could you compare nitrogen phosphorus part? Nitrogen phosphorus compare कर पाए?
By the graph we can compare that.
Yes. No. Nitrogen phosphorus which graph?
IE वाला.
एक बड़ा पार्ट. Students, can you complete till 178 in the meantime? I'm solving this dot. 178 तक खत्म कीजिए. 178 तक. हाँ बोल. Nitrogen phosphorus, can I say nitrogen is smaller, hence higher IE?
Yes.
Beryllium plus more than beryllium because smaller size.
Yes.
Nitrogen more than nitrogen minus because smaller size.
Okay. I just had doubt in the C one. I didn't understand कि वो क्यों नहीं हो सकता.
खुशी सॉल्व करना है 178 तक. मस्त है खुशी, देखो कुछ काम नहीं तो बैठ ही जाती है एकदम.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead.
I have a question in 164. What would be the correct logic for this?
Correct logic will be penetration effect.
Okay.
So there's no chance of going wrong if we use the graph, right?
There is
No chance of going wrong if we use the graph, right?
never will go wrong. But if they are species of the same element, you cannot use the graph. An isoelectronic species. Okay, guys, I gave you the homework of solving practice paper 1, 2, and 3. Any doubts in that, please go ahead. Practice paper 1, 2, and 3. Any doubts over there, please go ahead.
So practice paper 1, 20th one.
Sure. Practice paper 1, question number?
20.
20. So it's actually a very good question. Can everyone come to that, please? Practice paper 1, question number 20. You have to know the exact positions of these elements in the periodic table to answer this. Now, are there any isoelectronic species over here? पहले वो देखो. कोई भी isoelectronic है क्या वहाँ पे? पहले वो देखो.
Bromine, tellurium, and rubidium.
Which one? Tellurium 2 minus and rubidium plus.
Bromine and rubidium. Not tellurium, bromine.
Okay, yes. Bromine minus and rubidium plus. Can I say bromine minus will be more than rubidium plus? Now, how many shells does bromine minus have? Can I say 4 shells? समझा आपको? Now count the number of shells in Te2 minus. Can I say Te2 minus 5 shells? In which is the one more element remaining over here? K plus. K plus, can I say will have 3 shells? सबसे बड़ा क्या हो जाएगा? समझा ये? निशा क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, can you explain the penetration effect? If penetration effect increases, then what will happen to IE?
Penetration effect is always applicable to consecutive elements where S and P electrons are filled.
Okay.
To be more precise, group 2 and group 13 elements.
So, if P, okay, so group 2 will have higher ionization than group 13.
Yes, beryllium will be more than boron and magnesium will be more than aluminium.
Oh, okay.
So there is one more good question over here. Question number 19, 1919. 19th question. O2 minus F minus neon. ठीक है? And S2 minus Cl minus argon. Students, एक ही क्वेश्चन में दो अलग अलग सीरीज है. Hence S2 minus is more than Cl minus is more than argon because it has 3 shells. And here O2 minus is more than F minus is neon because it has 2 shells. Clear है आपको ये? चलिए और कोई डाउट है तो पूछ लीजिए.
I have a doubt in question 8. मुझे सिर्फ वो magnesium first है वही नहीं समझा.
Again, can you say that out? I couldn't hear you.
Question number 8. Like I didn't understand why magnesium 2.
Because ma'am, magnesium 2 plus has 2 shells, whereas others have 1 shell. Again, repeat, magnesium 2 plus in the 8th question will have 2 shells, whereas the others have 1 shell. Any other doubts in practice paper 1 and 3? If you don't have doubts, you can leave.
So
Homework will be uploaded.
Yeah, Pratham.
Homework
I'll upload it
uploaded.
on the Google Classroom. It's going to be practice paper 4 का submission है.
हाँ.
और MCQ बुक में रेडियस और आयरेशन एंथैल्पी पूरा सॉल्व करना है. मैं क्लासरूम में डाल दूंगा वो. Yeah, go ahead.
Actually, I have not received my marks yet. So whom should I contact?
Which marks, ma'am?
Like Raji sir told that this Sunday there is a parents meeting, so you will receive your.
You'll get a call. Hitvish, I'll just tell the staff to call you.
Sir, me also.
Okay, so can you just message your respective staff over there for the same, to whom you submit your homework normally?
Okay.
Just wait for a day or so, you'll get a call. Yeah. Any
So
other
can you
doubts?
explain 10th?
Sulfur selenium वो वाला question.
Yeah.
Down the group देखिए सल्फर यहाँ पे मैम, सेलेनियम यहाँ पे, टेलुरियम यहाँ पे, और कौन सा एलिमेंट है? फॉस्फोरस. आप ही देखिए इसमें क्या हो जाएगा. ये एलिमेंट है, ये क्या ऐसे टेलुरियम सबसे ऊपर हो जाएगा?
It's SD, I think.
I'm sorry.
It's SD.
Sulfur, tellurium, Sb, and phosphorus. Are these the elements?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, phosphorus, sulfur में कौन पड़ा रहेगा?
Phosphorus.
और antimony और tellurium में?
Antimony.
So this is the order.
Okay.
Because नीचे है इसके लिए उसको प्रायोरिटी ज्यादा देंगे.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
So can you explain question 14?
14th. Okay. 14th question, can I say over there? N3 minus more than O2 minus isoelectronic species. And phosphorus 3 minus more than sulfur 2 minus. Again isoelectronic species. Now, how do I compare between these? These are 2 shells. These are 3 shells. You tell me which will have more radius, Varnika.
More radius is 3.
Yeah, so can I say it's going to be P3 minus S2 minus N3 minus O2 minus.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I have a question in the I2 and I3 graphs. Actually, in only the I3 graph. So can I say, like, after I make the graph and I change it by 2 points, can I say that the I3 of magnesium will be more than argon? Yeah. Okay. So can I, like, for my own purposes, can I remember it as the bottom go to the top of the graph? Like,
Can I help you? Can I help you with a better answer?
Yeah. Okay.
Just look over here in the slide. Ek minute. I'll just show you the values, which will help you to understand what you are seeing with proper values also. ये values देख. This might help you to understand things better.
Okay, so I'll just take a screenshot and I'll look at it properly later.
No, you can see it right now. I have a lot of time in it.
Okay, sir.
आराम से देख ले. कुछ नहीं समझा तो पूछ ले. You don't have to remember it. Now, what are you saying? I3 बराबर. This is I3, ma'am.
Yeah.
In the entire period, I3 किसका सबसे ज्यादा है?
Magnesium.
Magnesium.
Okay, sir. Makes sense.
So basically, the idea is जो मैग्नीशियम यहाँ पे था वो ऊपर चला गया है. ठीक है? चल. Can you help me plot points? Can we do one thing? Can you just help me plot points over here? कौन से एलिमेंट? सबसे नीचे कौन सा एलिमेंट है? देख यहाँ पे ध्यान से और मुझे बता सबसे नीचे कौन सा है?
Aluminium.
एल्यूमिनियम. फिर क्या रहा है?
Silicon.
फिर क्या रहा है?
Phosphorus.
सिलिकॉन नहीं आएगा, पहले फॉस्फोरस आएगा ना.
देखिए सबसे नीचे तो एल्यूमिनियम ही दिख रहा है मुझे भी.
सर उसने सेकंड सिलिकॉन बोला तो सेकंड फॉस्फोरस है, सिलिकॉन है.
But the graph is shaped, so I'm saying it in the order of the points, not in the order of increasing.
Both are saying the same thing. I got it. चलो, ये clear है?
I got it.
अब Shana, can you just look at these 2 points? ऊपर क्या है? सबसे ऊपर क्या होना चाहिए?
Magnesium.
सबसे ऊपर. Can I say this value?
Yeah.
और उसके नीचे सोडियम. क्या एक्चुअली ऐसा ही हो रहा है? एक शिफ्ट होते हैं, दो शिफ्ट होते हैं.
Okay.
So basically, wherever the jump is there, that will be the highest, right?
you understand, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So basically, wherever the jump is there, that will be the highest, right?
Oh, 2 elements should have jump, Nishka. 2 elements should have jump in IE.
Yeah. So no, as in like for alkali it'll be IE1 to IE2, and then for magnesium IE2 to IE2.
100%. Because they achieve a noble gas configuration.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
so you are told lesser ionization energy, electron is lost easily, and hence the reducing agent. If lesser I, then more is the reducing agent. No?
I said lesser the I, more easily it loses an electron, more easily it gets oxidized, stronger the reducing agent. Anything else, guys? Go ahead, Priya.
So could you please tell the correct order of radius for nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur? Only the atoms.
Sure. Can you just again say the question?
Nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur.
Are these the 4 elements?
Yes.
Okay. Can I say these is second period, this is third period?
Yes.
Can I say obviously phosphorus, sulfur will be more than nitrogen, oxygen?
Yes.
Among phosphorus, sulfur, go from left to right. Can I say left to right radius decreases?
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Got it?
Yes. Thank you.
So,
Yeah, go ahead.
so in questions like when they give neon 3s2 3p1, so in those questions, why is 3p1 not greater? Like, why doesn't have greater ionization energy? Isn't it smaller?
Compared to?
Exactly my confusion.
So compared to like 3p3 and all, like that logic I don't understand in the whole.
I couldn't get your question again.
So like considering question 161.
1 minute. Yeah.
So can you explain that? Once I understood why D is not the answer, but among the 3, can you explain it once again?
Does this help you to understand? I just plotted the graph 3p1, 3p2, 3p3.
So 3p3 has more ionization energy, right?
Yeah, 3p3 will be the answer. Agreed. 3p3 will be the answer.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
What was the question then?
So I got confused. Like I was comparing the size, but
Okay.
then we have to look at the graph. Then I understood. Thank you, sir.
But still, if you look at the size, you'll get the same answer here. I'm just telling you. Left-right size decreases. Ionization energy increases. Someone also added me also. Who was that? आपको समझा क्या? कौन था? आंचल, मैं कौन था? ठीक. Okay. Any other doubts?
Sir?
So
Yeah,
148.
Ma'am, what is your answer to 148?
I've just written less I. After that, I've written B option. Actually, I did it in a hurry, so I'm not seeing.
Yeah, it is B, na? Biggest size.
Yes, but can you explain it again?
Biggest size. Same species, biggest size. देखना है. Bigger the size, lesser the radius. Bigger the size, bigger the radius, lesser the I.
Sir?
Yeah.
So how do we compare the radius between germanium and aluminium?
Germanium and?
Aluminium.
Germanium is here, aluminium is here. You decide, ma'am.
So like it's below, so the radius of germanium should be greater, right?
More the shells, more the radius. First priority.
Okay, sir.
समझा मानवी?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Any other doubts, guys?
Sir?
बोला तो वाले.
in structure of atom, when we took IE, we took N as 1 in the calculations. So, but if it is the removal of the loosely bound electron, shouldn't it be like the last shell?
But we were talking about hydrogen, na? Hydrogen का last shell तो first ही होता है.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Thank you.
क्या कर रहा है मतलब? दुखी कर दिया तूने डाउट पूछ के मुझको आज. कोई नहीं, पूछ लिया कर. Any other doubts? प्रीशा, कोई डाउट आता ही नहीं तुझे तो.
मुझे समझ आ गया सब.
समझता सब कुछ है.
और डाउट 2-3 थे मुझे प्रैक्टिस पेपर 1 के, लेकिन सबने पूछ लिए तो मेरा हो गया.
ठीक है, चलो बाय.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye.